In today's video, I'm going to teach you building and monetizing AI-powered applications using Replit involves leveraging its AI agent capabilities for development and integrating payment solutions for monetization. We'll walk through how to use Replit's built-in tools to speed up development, then connect a payment flow so you can charge for access to your app or premium features. We'll start with development using the AI agent. Open Replit, create a new project in the language you prefer, and describe your app to the agent as clearly as possible. Share what the app should do, who it's for, and the core features you want. Ask the agent to scaffold the project, set up a simple web server, and generate a basic interface. If your app needs an AI model, have the agent add a route that accepts user input, calls the model, and returns a response. It can also suggest libraries and handle boilerplate so you can focus on logic and user experience. Run your app and test the flow end to end. When something doesn't work as expected, ask the agent to explain the code it wrote and refine it with small, clear prompts. Keep your prompts, validation rules, and example inputs in the project so you and the agent stay aligned. Use environment variables for any keys you need, write clear error messages, and log important events so debugging is straightforward. As you iterate, have the agent generate small tests or sample requests to confirm your app behaves consistently. Once your core experience feels solid, it's time to integrate payments. Decide whether you want a one-time purchase, a subscription, or usage-based access. In your backend, add a checkout flow using a trusted provider that offers hosted pages, customer portals, and test modes. Create a route to start checkout and another to receive webhooks that confirm successful payment. On payment success, mark the user as entitled to premium features in a simple data store, and check that entitlement before running premium actions. Never handle raw card details in your code. Rely on the provider's secure forms and tokens. Test everything in the provider's test mode, including success, cancellation, and refund paths, and make sure pricing, currency, and taxes are configured correctly. Finally, deploy your app on Replit, set your environment variables, enable always on if needed, and monitor logs after launch. Keep your documentation up to date, add helpful onboarding text, and price according to the value your app delivers. With the AI agent accelerating development and a clean payment flow, you're ready to build, ship, and monetize confidently.